everyone, and welcome to my channel, Traveling with Sam. I'm here at the central train station here in Prague, the Czech Republic, taking a little day trip to do some hiking in this beautiful spring weather, the last weekend here in April. So thank you for finding my channel, and thank you for subscribing, liking, and leaving comments. And if you are ready to go, let's go see some beautiful nature. Here is the hiking group that I will be with today. Alright, our train has arrived. Alright, so we have arrived and starting our hike here in Chesky Cross. About 45 minutes train ride from central of Prague.
Weekend house, so be good to not to like disturb them, or like, I don't know, not be too much too nosy what's happening in the houses.
So now we're entering the trailhead park, Koda. Natural Ridge, our guide Philip. Very scenic. Lovely limestone.
So,
Are you a cocktail fan?
Lush green.
well, like as a member of public, you have no chance to get there unless somebody's from the researchers is your friend and you are able to climb.
You have to be a speleologist.
But so this cave, it's just a perfect cave for like prehistoric people to use as a shelter. So there was, I mean, now obviously everything was taken, but there were several archaeological layers all the way from Stone Age to modern times. So many artifacts, remnants of bones, things like that were taken from here. I would like to do an experiment. So we are something like 35. So if we can all fit in it, it's like they put some kind of a curtain on the opening, to maintain sensible temperature inside. Because I assume they would have a fire close to the opening, right? And it's also relatively soft. Okay, so this is a guy called Bohumil Jihla, and he was a gamekeeper here. I think that's how to translate Jaime, or a person who looks after the animals in the forest for the hunters. Also, usually lives in a lodge in the forest. I mean, Sonia, what would be in British English? How would you call a person like that?
So not a first gamekeeper?
Gamekeeper, that's what I was saying. Yeah, that's what I was saying. So I was correct. Thank you. So and it says and you see he died on 27th of May 1945. So that's just 3 weeks after the end of the war. And it says shortly after regaining freedom was in these places shot dead by drunken Soviet soldiers while defending his family. You know.
A very easy trail. You know, not a whole lot of climbing thus far. You can go at your own pace. You don't have to like sprint through or anything. And just take your time, pause when you want. But it's very lovely in here. And if you just come by yourself, I'm sure you can hear more birds. Even with all these people, you can still hear birds, see butterflies and things like that. So yeah, perfect day like to come, not cold or hot, just really ideal for hiking and exercising on a nice Sunday, and then can relax in the evening and feel good about how I spent a Sunday. So it's not all a lazy Sunday. Now we're in a small village or town called Tetin. Cute little peaceful village, scenic church.
The Czech patriots in the 19th century, more exactly in 1850. Back then, Tetin was a very busy village. I mean, it's a busy village now. There's about 900 inhabitants. Back then, it was even bigger. There were 3 churches, a chapel, and a synagogue. There were many, firstly, farmers and woodworkers, people working in the forests and so forth. So there were lots of kids, and there are 3 churches still up to date. This is one of them. But what as a fortress. So actually, there were no windows. The windows were added only during the restoration in the 19th century.
So Saint Ludmilla Church, the first female saint in Europe.
Okay, now we're gonna see the most interesting thing in Tetin. Okay, I'm curious myself what it is.
Well, next to it is Rome Church.
Úplně nahoře, úplně nahoře, je svatý Michal s plavoucím mečem a se zlatými vahami. Vidíte ho tam?
So on the top of the altar is Saint Michael with a sword, like a burning sword with flames and scales. I don't really see the scales. Oh, maybe I see them. Takže úplně nahoře svatý Michal
No, tak to je ten takový ten nejhlavně
Such a nice spot. Really nice area, and still definitely doable walk for everyone. Not extreme, especially on a day like today where it's not muddy or slippery. Go to the lookout point over here. Here's the lookout point. You can see some different points. Nice flowers. part of the castle, which is almost nothing now. Another viewpoint. Walking through more of the village now. Beautiful horses. Here's the main viewpoint, so you get the overview of the village. Very nice spot, a bit of a climb up, but it's worth it, especially on a day like today. Some more information. All right, time to make our way to restaurant or brewery and have some dinner with the group.
Знаешь что, пап? Каждое время у меня специальная программа в телефоне.
Again, more lush green. Tour guide Philip. Hidden away is our restaurant. Inside this nice restaurant, you can order some food, drink.
I don't know. It's fine. Yeah, that's
Time for some dinner.
We finished it higher, so enjoy your meal.
Heading back, they have a bike tower here. First time I've ever seen such a thing.
Announce it soon. I will have 3 busy days,
Back
but then
to
I'm
Prague.
so there will be more